Most YouTubers are literally leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single month, and they don't even know it. They're posting consistently, they're getting views, some of them are even growing fast. But their checks? Still embarrassingly small. This video fixes that. Here's what's crazy. The fix isn't working harder. It's not posting more. It doesn't even require more views. It requires understanding 3 things about how YouTube money actually works. And most creators never learn even one of them. Let's get into it. Here's the thing most creators get completely wrong. They think YouTube income is just about views. Get more views, make more money. Simple, right? Wrong. YouTube income is about something called RPM, revenue per milla, which just means how much money you earn per 1,000 views. And here's where it gets wild. One channel can earn $2 per 1,000 views. Another channel earns $25 per 1,000 views. Both got the exact same number of views this month, but one creator is on a laptop at a cafe, and the other just paid their rent from a channel that never showed their face once. The difference has nothing to do with how hard they worked. It has everything to do with the system they built. So let's break down exactly how this system works, starting from the very beginning. YouTube pays creators through something called the YouTube Partner Program. To get in, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. Once you hit that, you apply, get approved, and YouTube starts placing ads on your videos. Now, here's where most people stop learning, and that's exactly why they stay broke. YouTube makes money by charging advertisers to show ads on your content. The amount advertisers pay is called CPM, cost per mil. That's the rate advertisers bid to reach your audience. But you don't get all of that. YouTube keeps 45% and gives you 55%. What lands in your pocket per 1,000 views? That's your RPM. So if your CPM is $10, your RPM ends up around $5 to $6 after YouTube's cut. Now here's the critical part. And this is where thousands of dollars either stay in your pocket or walk out the door. Your RPM is almost entirely determined by your niche, the topic of your channel, because advertisers don't pay the same rate for every audience. They pay based on how valuable that audience is to them. A finance advertiser trying to sell investment apps will pay $20, $25, even $30 per 1,000 views to reach people watching money content. A gaming advertiser? Maybe $2 or $3. Same views, completely different payday. So let me give you the niche breakdown right now, because this decision alone could be worth thousands of dollars to you. Top tier, $15 to $30 RPM. Finance, investing, make money online, insurance, legal services, real estate, software and SaaS, business and entrepreneurship. These niches have one thing in common. The audience has money, or is making decisions that cost money. Advertisers chase that. Hard. Mid-tier, $8 to $15 RPM. Health and wellness, technology reviews, digital marketing, education, self-improvement, travel. Strong audiences, solid income, very beginner-friendly to create with AI tools. Lower tier, $1 to $5 RPM. Gaming, entertainment, pranks, reaction content, general vlogs. Not saying these can't make money, they can. But you're playing a volume game. You need millions of views to see real income from ads alone. Now, and this is important, if you're building a faceless channel, you have a massive advantage here, because the highest paying niches, finance, make money online, business, tech, those are all perfect for faceless AI-powered content. No camera, no editing skills, just a system. That's exactly what we teach inside Publish to Profit, how to build these channels from scratch using AI without ever showing your face. Here's a quick but powerful tip that most new creators completely overlook. Once your videos hit 8 minutes or longer, YouTube unlocks mid-roll ads. That means instead of one ad at the beginning of your video, you can place multiple ads throughout. More ad breaks equals more revenue per view. Here's how you turn it on. Go to YouTube Studio. Click on your video. Hit the Monetization tab. Then select Manage Mid-Roll Ads. You can manually place them or let YouTube do it automatically. Now, don't just make long videos to add ads. That'll tank your watch time and hurt your channel. Every minute of that video needs to earn its place. But when you're creating educational content in a high RPM niche, 8 to 12 minutes is your sweet spot. Value-packed, ad-friendly, and way more profitable per upload. Okay, now here's the part of this video that most YouTube channels won't talk about. And honestly, this is where the real money is. Ad revenue is the floor, not the ceiling. The creators making $10,000, $20,000, even $100,000 a month from YouTube, they're not doing it on ads alone. They're using their channel as a traffic machine and selling digital products on top. Think about it this way. If your RPM is $10 and you get 100,000 views, you made $1,000 from ads. Not bad. But what if 1% of those viewers bought a $47 digital product from you? That's 1,000 sales. That's $47,000 from the same views. That's the difference between a YouTube hobby and a YouTube business. And here's what makes this perfect for the publish-to-profit model. The digital products that convert best on YouTube are things like ebooks and guides sold on Amazon KDP, simple PDF templates and toolkits, mini courses on Gumroad or Teachable, Faceless YouTube automation courses, done-for-you AI content systems. All of these can be created with AI. All of them can be sold passively. And your YouTube channel drives free targeted traffic to them every single day. That's not just passive income. That's a compounding income system. So let's bring this all together. Here is your exact starting point, step by step. Step 1. Pick a high RPM niche. Finance, make money online, business, tech, or health. These are your best options as a faceless creator starting from zero in 2026. Step 2. Set up your faceless channel. Use AI tools to create your scripts, voiceovers, and visuals. You do not need to show your face. You do not need to be on camera. The system does the work. Step 3. Create videos 8 minutes or longer. Pack them with real value. Place mid-roll ads. Optimize your titles and thumbnails around high search keywords. Step 4. Build your digital product. Even something simple, a PDF guide, an ebook, a mini course. Price it between $27 and $97. Link it in every video description. Step 5. Stay consistent for 90 days. Most people quit before the algorithm kicks in. The ones who stay are the ones who win. Treat it like a business from day one, because that's exactly what it is. This isn't complicated. It's just a system. And systems work when you work them. The creators making serious money on YouTube in 2026 aren't just making content. They're building businesses. They picked the right niche. They understand how the money flows. And they layered digital products on top of ad revenue to multiply every single view. Now you know exactly how to do the same thing. If you want to go even deeper, I put together a full free breakdown on how to launch a faceless YouTube channel from scratch using AI, step by step. No experience needed. No face required. Click the video on your screen right now and I'll walk you through the whole system. The information is free. The only question is whether you're going to use it. I'll see you in the next one.